evening everybody, this side Khushi from Lexis and Company. In this video is how to deal with the dowry demands. As you know that the dowry demand has been increased. So if you see the state of Bihar, so you will see that I'm not like putting or commenting on that, but basically it happens more than in Bihar that they ask for the dowry. So because of these things, and not even Bihar, there are many states, even all the states are like into it. So we cannot only put the Bihar on that. So there are many states. So dowry demand in India have been growing problem for the long time. Even though it is prohibited in the country, there are numerous instances of the dowry demanded all across the India, which end up in the consequences ranging from the divorce to death due to the dowry demand. As you know, this is very serious cases. It is crucial to be aware about the receiving and donating dowry is prohibited and is punishable at least for the 5 year in the prison, यानी कि 5 साल के लिए कम से कम इसकी सज़ा होती है और लाखों में इसका जो फाइन भरा जाता है, which is greater, जो भी इसमें ज़्यादा होगा. द पनिशमेंट फॉर मेकिंग डॉरी डिमांड वेदर डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट रेंजेस फॉर द 6 month or 2 year in prison and fine for the 10,000 under the Dowry Prohibition Act 1961. So the Supreme Court stated in S. Gopal Reddy versus State of Andhra Pradesh 1996 that the term dowry must be defined broadly, यानी कि जो dowry का term है इसको broadly define करना चाहिए. But the Supreme Court has been stated that they added that the dowry demand constitute marriage that annulled because one party was unable to provide the requested amount of money, the valuable security. Court have taken a variety of measures such as you can say there are like many cases in Appa Saib versus another state versus Maharashtra, when the bride was asked for the money by the groom family to cover essential domestic bills due to the financial hardship. The demand was not regarded by the law as a form of dowry, यानी कि इसमें डॉरी की तरह नहीं मांगा गया था. उनसे कहा था कि आप हमारे जो बिल्स है उसको पे कर दीजिए. एनी अग्रीमेंट इन्वॉल्विंग इन द like giving or receiving of the dowry will not be regarded as legally binding. So this is important to know about the dowry. And क्या important factor होते हैं इंडिया में अगर डॉरी लॉज को देखे जाए तो. So even before getting married, asking for a dowry is illegal. अगर मान लीजिए आप ये कहते हैं कि डॉरी दे तो तभी माना जाएगा जब शादी होती है. नो, बिफोर डॉरी यानी कि बिफोर मैरिज अगर आप डॉरी की डिमांड करो, दिस इज ऑल्सो इलीगल. एंड इन दिस सिचुएशन द डॉरी प्रोहिबिशन एक्ट 1961 विल अप्लाई. गिविंग और रिसीविंग अ डॉरी इज इलीगल एंड क्रिमिनल ऑन द पार्ट ऑफ द बोथ द पार्टीज. जो दे रहा है उसके लिए भी इलीगल है. If a dowry demand is made, go right way to nearest police station that is under the jurisdiction of the local where the demand is being made. यानी कि अगर कभी भी dowry demand होती है तो nearest आपका jurisdiction लगेगा थाने का, उसमें आप जा सकते हैं. And attempt to gather as much as proof as you can, as such as witness and audio visual recording, so that you can prove that you have to they are forcing you to give the dowry. If the police do not record the incident, you may report it to the judicial magistrate or the MM, which is a metropolitan magistrate, by filing an application under the article 156, which is 56(3), which we call that. Read with the 190 of the CRPC. You can also inform the dowry protection officer about the situation. So this is all about the dowry system, but in the next video we will discuss how to file the complaint about the dowry. So thanks for watching this video. This is the end of this video.